The alpha frequency is our creative frequency. It's when we're painting, drawing, sculpting, writing, creating music. We are in an alpha wavelength. So there's many ways to achieve this creative brainwave frequency. I'm going to show you a breathing technique called Kapalabhati. We want to increase our alpha state for creativity, so this breathing technique will help you do that. This is also known as breath of fire. The alpha frequency is between 8 to 14 hertz. So breath of fire, you're going to inhale through the belly and exhale short, quick exhales through the nose, snapping the navel in as you exhale through the nose. Short, quick exhales. So the inhale is passive, the exhale is active. So it looks like this. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, snap the navel in. Your eyes can be open or closed as you do this practice. You may want a tissue nearby if you have any congestion, but this is what helps stimulate your alpha state. I encourage you to practice this breathing technique for 3 to 5 minutes, and as you do, maybe close your eyes and visualize the color of blue entering the crown of your head and traveling through your whole body. So if you practice Kapalabhati breathing with your eyes closed, you will often see a blue light. So when you hear this concept of, oh, this idea just came out of the blue, that's where that stems from, because the alpha waves are the color of blue. If you're an artist and you ever feel blocked creatively, this breathing technique can help stimulate alpha waves in your brain.